Hi, Stella Schnabel.
Hi, James Kaliardos.
We're gonna talk about how you like your makeup today. I love defining your cheekbones. Like, your cheekbones are so gorgino to me. NARS has bronzers that are matte and then bronzers that have a little bit of reflection. Yeah. So it's very subtle, but it's more visible on your cheek. Laguna is gonna give you a little bit more definition, and it's a neutral tone, which will just be kind of perfect. We're using a blush brush, and we're just sweeping it across. And then if it looks like it's too much, tap it.
Oh, great.
So you don't want to start with like too much so that where you put it is like, right? And you just want to like circulate it on the cheekbone and bring out those gorgeous cheeks.
Oh, wow.
Right.
Yeah, already it kind of lifts the whole face.
Do you want to try that side? So good. That's really good.
Good?
Yeah. Do it one more time. Yeah, just so it's really well blended.
Oh, yeah. Plus, it's such a nice brush. It's really light.
Yeah, I love the way you do it. You have a really light touch.
Coming from the master.
You might want to go up here and hit your hairline so it just kind of shades and brings a little color up on your forehead too. The jawline.
That really does something. It's amazing.
If you feel like you've over applied and you want to take it down, you just brush in upward motion. I love this look on you, right? But I want you to feel a little bit more sun-kissed than that. I'm gonna use San Juan, which is a little bit more apricot. And then I'm gonna just add it to like more like the apples of your cheek.
Wow. Wow, it really looks good. I mean, I didn't realize, you know, that it really was such a different look from when I first sat down. It feels more like a lip balm than a lipstick.
It is a lip balm. Your cheek catches the light, but it doesn't look, you know, it looks like natural.